Yes, trying to run a multi-trillion-pound organisation is a challenge these days. Okay, what we got here? Okay, so some special offers back up. The reason why is because we listen to our clients. So what does that say? That's right, DHL. Unless the camera has that weird, what's it called, mirror effect that I don't know how to change. But anyway, free DHL. That means it comes to you in a few days. What else do you get? Yeah, new sticks here. Smudge yourself. Go on. You need it. I don't like it. That's because you need it. Okay, so 4 sticks. What else? Beautiful sacred negative energy cleansing sticks with moldavite inside. Yes, well, all over it. There you go. Beautiful. 3 packs. That'll keep you going. A beautiful tektite. Not too big, but we don't need them too big. This is a good size. You can tie it wherever you want, high or low, lower better. But yes, look, beautiful tektite, beautiful. It's polished as well. And it's been beautifully mounted by our beautiful family in Bali. And it's stamped MB, so you know it comes from me. And it's genuine. So that goes in here. Isn't that lovely? And then, to finish off, a 1-year supply of sage, and these are bags. These are big bags, okay? So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. What a month. So there's no excuse to cleanse your beautiful house and self every month. There you go. Fantastic. The price, £340, but you're going to get it for... I got a minute. I got it written down here somewhere. Because it's a special offer. It's a special offer. I said you buy it one, you get one free. No, you don't. This is a special offer, but it's like buying one and getting one free because you get it for 140. That's not bad, including free DHL worldwide. Anywhere in the world apart from India, I think that's it. There might be another place, I can't remember, but America's fine, Canada, Australia, all over the world, Japan, China, everywhere. Right, that's it. I wanted to do that. I'm getting ready to go to Bali. I'm going to fly to Bali. He's leaving on a jet plane. I don't know when I'll be back again. However, I've been doing one video after the other video. So when you're going to go like, hang on a minute, I thought you were in Bali. I am, but I'm pre-making videos for you every day. I tell you, good boy. And I'm going to be making videos in Bali. So cross your fingers. It's okay. I'm not flying with Boeing. We're okay. Got my mask. Yes, a big, nice, chunky mask. I wonder how they're going to react. Yeah, because they like to spray on long-haul flights. Did you know? Oh, yes. All courtesy of the WHO. Thank you. That's great. Well done. Well done. Oh, they're just looking after us. So I bought a mask which you would use for toxic chemicals. Now, that's when you should be using a mask. So all set to go. He's on hyper. I tell you what, I've had a really good cleanse these past few months. I've really worked on my body and I'm really cleansed inside and out. I feel great. So, yeah, not that you're interested in my cleansing. That's it, really. I'm going to make some more videos. That's it. And I'm off. And I'll see you in Bali. See you in Bali. Where do you want to go? Tell me where you want to go. Where's your favourite place? I'll try and find it. Okay. See you later. Have a great day. One link below for this beautiful offer. 1-year supply. Yes, at a great price. Enjoy. By the way, while stocks last. So if you're watching this video in 2-3 weeks and it's no longer there, sorry guys, it's a special offer. So there's only so many bags we've got. Okay, should have said that, but I have done, so it's okay.